Mental health is absolutely central. If our health is not good, then I think it detracts from everything that we do. Seeing the kinds of issues and problems that people can face and how debilitating they can be, the kind of work that I'm really committed to and really want to do.
When I was younger, I experienced my own battles with my own mental health. I was given a community psychiatric nurse who supported me. She helped me through the toughest times of my life, and to be honest, I was probably a bit of a challenge as a patient, but she continued to be there. She never gave up on me. Even when I gave up on myself, she still believed in me, and it was her kindness and perseverance that got me through it. I really want to give back what was given to me, and I hope that once I'm a nurse, I can make a difference to at least one patient's life.
There are quite a lot of people who come into it because they have struggled with mental health issues. If they can recover and overcome in that area, even though faced with a challenging programme, that's tremendously rewarding to see. They understand from first-hand knowledge the nature of mental illness and how difficult it can be. And so they have something really special to offer when they're providing mental health care.
So in second year, I went out on placement. It was meant to be for 8 weeks. And I was having a really difficult time. I messaged Nick first just to say, here's the situation. I'm not really happy on this placement. And I don't think I'm going to finish it. And he sent me a really lengthy email, just full of support, full of information that I could use to help me through that situation. I really appreciated the support because I think I would have probably dropped out of the course. People
aren't perfect. Just having that little bit of grace, I think, is really important.
I think the way he approaches situations really inspires me. Like, he goes into things very calm and very kind, and he listens intently, and you can tell that he really cares about what he's teaching and what you have to say as a student.
Nick is really good at teasing out ideas and making you think critically and think outside the box. By doing that, he helps us grow, he helps us analyse research and help us think, how can we apply this research into practice?
I want to be involved in work individually and as part of a team which really does tackle those problems and help people to overcome them or find recovery in spite of them, or whatever is helpful for them in terms of their having a better quality of life. That is my purpose, that's my quest, and I shall continue with it.